Welcome to a scintillating episode of your soon-to-be favorite show ever, Sisters React.
Sisters React is an amazing show where India की ही नहीं पूरी दुनिया की best sisters साथ में react करेंगी on the best shows on the internet. Now those two sisters were not available, so I think they were out there saving the world, doing important things. So they brought on the worst sisters in the world.
हम लोग एक शो पे आज रिएक्ट करने वाले हैं and that show is actually a little autobiographical in nature.
Oh really?
Yeah, okay. It's actually called True Beauty. So this is True, I'm Beauty. Why don't you tell us about the show? क्या होता है show?
Sure.
What is the synopsis of
Okay,
the show?
so True Beauty is about a gal who is a high schooler, a teenage high schooler who gets bullied for wearing glasses.
How dare she?
How dare she?
How can she wear glasses? How can she slap?
In a conventional sense, she doesn't fit the box of beauty.
Okay.
Which is why she is bullied, and one thing leads to another. And what is that another, Supriya?
It's makeover time. हर इंसान चाहता है कि उसकी लाइफ में उसको एक मेकओवर तो मिले.
Correct.
तो उसको मिल जाता है वो.
Who doesn't like a makeover? Probably someone with glasses.
Just take them off. अगर आपने अभी भी ग्लासेस पहने आप निकाल के देखो, देखना हम कितने और सुंदर लगेंगे.
So yes, Supriya, why don't we start watching True Beauty?
Yes, let's watch True Beauty. Let's give us our reactions.
둘째야?
Very cute. baby.
어머, 장군감이네. 딸인데요.
Oh no. अरे तो छोटी बच्ची है यार. She's a small baby. उसी को क्या तुम्हारा कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि किसी ने तुम्हें बचपन में अगली कह दिया?
I was a pretty cute gal. So अगर किसी ने बोला कि I was not a cute baby, then
They are lying.
they are lying.
희경이는 예쁜데. 아우, 우리 희경이는 어쩜 이렇게 이쁘니?
ये हमारे घर में बहुत हुआ है हमारे साथ, है ना? Like elder sister is the cutie gal.
Some facts are ugly. This was not a fact.
만화에서처럼 평범한 소녀가 한순간에 예쁜 요정으로 변신하는 마법 같은 순간을 꿈꾼 적도 있었지만
지가 요정인 줄 아나 봐. 공주병 쩔어. 못생긴 괴물을 멸시.
हमने देखा कि बच्चों ने इस बेचारी लड़की की bully की for no reason.
You know what? If I was this young and I saw a girl rocking that outfit, I would want to be her friend. Okay, she's definitely the
세미야.
bully. Mean Girl, South Korea, but they also have a guy in their gang.
It's a more inclusive mean people South Korea.
Correct.
어떠세요?
나한테 뭐 할 말 있어?
그게 혹시 오빠 임주경이랑 사귀어요?
뭐? 그건 왜?
저 그 소리 듣고 진짜 완전 객간놀. 오빠가 1급 쓰면 걔는 저기 아래 있는 부정물이랄까?
Why?
Why? अरे तुम अपने में खुश रहो यार, दूसरे की खुशी क्यों तुम बर्बाद करने में लगे हुए हो? Very mean, but in character.
In character, but extremely
very mean. Very mean. तुम किसी को चाहते हो तो मुंह पे बोल दो मैं तुम्हें चाहता हूँ या चाहती हूँ या I like you.
ऐसे games मत खेलो.
Don't play these games. She's not way out of his league. इसके लंबे बाल है यार. His name is Hyunbin. Hyunbin, जाऊँ कहाँ?
You know, she probably proposed to him with that song, and maybe that's why she got rejected.
Oh.
That's such a nice box.
공연 티켓이랑요. 제가 만든 쿠키랑 또
Which
또
type of
뭐?
제 마음이요. 저 오빠 좋아해요.
क्या guts चाहिए ये
Guts.
करने के लिए?
बहुत ज्यादा guts. ये सही में मतलब ये किसी को अपनी feelings express करना is so difficult, and I think that's why I think the easiest is to do it online.
너 지금 설마 고백한 거냐? 나 현빈이야. 왕현빈.
तो क्या हुआ? तो क्या हुआ? ह्यूनबिन है यार तू, हट। कौन सा बड़ा कोई शाहरुख खान है क्या? You can just say I am not interested. Easily just say hey, I am really sorry.
Yes.
I am not interested in you. इंस्टेड तू जानती है कौन हूँ मैं ह्यूनबिन हूँ। उसको तो हाँ मैं जानती हूँ, उसको तो प्रपोज कर रही हूँ ना।
I know.
हेलो।
야 이딴 거 할 시간에
What the hell?
거울이나 좀 봐.
That's so mean. That is so mean.
You don't deserve love.
Hyunbin, you suck. But these mean people of South Korea also suck.
내가 왜 싫어? 난 니들한테 잘못한 게 하나도 없는데 내가 왜 이렇게까지 싫어하는 거야?
Aww.
야, 가르쳐줘?
I also want to know.
못생겨서.
मैम आप कौन सी प्रिंसेस हो रही हैं यहाँ की, मतलब समझ में नहीं आया मुझे।
Truly disturbing. I must say that the lead has acted so well.
Yeah, she has. I felt like crying myself.
Yes, I felt that. I really felt that emotion, and it's such a real question. Why do you hate me
Yeah.
only because I don't look good?
So you know when going gets tough, the tough change schools.
Oh yes, I've heard of that.
Yeah, so this character now उसने अपना स्कूल बदल दिया, अब नए स्कूल में जा रही हैं वो।
You know, fun fact, Supriya, I changed schools.
Really?
Yes.
I didn't know that at all.
Yes, you didn't know that at all.
Yes.
Being my sister,
Did your new school, was it any better?
it was worse.
I love makeover.
I
scenes.
love makeover scenes.
Oh my! I don't know. This is just strangely therapeutic to watch.
Definitely.
Like, oh, I used to look like an average human, but now I look like a swan. But will she look like a swan? Let's find.
Yes.
Let's see what the power of makeup. Ooh. Okay.
That's a nice shade.
That's a nice shade.
Lenses.
Lenses.
Is this the Mask? The movie The Mask, and now he'll be Jim Carrey.
This is the Korean equivalent of जब किसी लड़की का दुपट्टा उड़ जाता है और लड़के के ऊपर आता है. New girl is in school.
Slow motion walk.
Slow mo walk.
Check. Beautiful hair.
Check.
Check. People turning around.
वो कौन है?
Hair, yes.
परी. तुम जाने जहाँ. Yes, she is a true beauty
You
now.
took off your glasses. You
Yeah,
are
guys.
the true beauty.
उससे ज़्यादा beautiful कुछ हो सकता है इस दुनिया में? Not at all.
자, 오늘부터 세범구 학생이다.
네.
Nice picture.
इसकी आधार कार्ड की फोटो कैसी होगी? ऐसे दिखेगी क्या? तुम्हारी किसी की जेन्युइनली किसी की भी आधार कार्ड फोटो सुंदर है क्या? अगर है तो तुम हो ट्रू ब्यूटी.
한 명만 빼고.
오케이 우리 반 얼굴 평균 올라갔다.
한규, 안현규 그런 소리 하지 마. 쌤 눈에는 너희들 모두 다
How
이쁘니까.
How sweet! Oh my god! Where were teachers like this in my life, in my school?
Let's have ramen after this, man.
Oh god, Korean food इतना टेस्टी होता है. ऊपर से Korean dramas में जिस तरीके से food दिखाया जाता है and the way they eat it so deliciously. Like I want to know what they're eating, what it tastes like. Ramen tastes amazing, guys.
찾다.
देती इसको? ओ हेलो, वो मेरी बुक है.
제가 먼저 왔거든요.
내가 먼저 집었거든요.
बस होते होते प्यार हो गया. अरे ये तो हमारे क्लास स्कॉलर है.
수?
लीसु.
너
누구?
ये मिसिंग था बस हमारे चाइल्डहुड में. ये मिसिंग था.
बुक स्टोर्स बहुत थे बट क्यूट लड़के who likes us.
Who like fighting over the same
Same
books
books.
with us and like us back. कहाँ गए तुम?
Okay, let's see what's happening. तो इससे पुराने स्कूल वाले लोगों से अभी इसकी मुलाकात हो रही है. But as a beautiful girl. देखो ये बात है कि तुम फिजिकली कैसे भी ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाओ, अंदर से तुम जैसे भी हो ना, तुम वैसे ही रहोगे.
So true.
Inner self doesn't change as quickly as outer self can change, you know. Oh, ouch. Oh, ouch, ouch.
저기요, 괜찮아요? 어떻게 안 다치셨어요?
Oh, देखा जो तुझे याद दिल में बजी गिटार. That's right.
I sense a love triangle about to happen.
Yes, I feel one of those boys is the second lead.
Definitely. Because he took off his helmet and had a slow motion reveal.
Obviously,
So,
he's either the first lead or second lead. We don't know.
I place my bets on the library guy. What about you?
As the second lead,
As the first.
there's a great possibility that he is the first lead.
Yes, but he is going to get serious competition from helmet guy.
Helmet guy is the second lead.
수아야, 난 아마 지옥에 가게 될 거야. 천국에서 수아천사를 훔쳐 부드럽 내 마음속에
Okay, proposal. See?
뽑아버렸으니까. 사랑한다, my angel.
You know what? I would love if someone proposes to me.
Yeah,
like
I
this.
want a grand gesture.
Not
Just
only
silly.
grand but silly.
Yeah.
It's so cute. It's so funny. I would totally say yes.
Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh oh.
Oh no.
Yes. Library guy, love you.
Good job. Good job. That's beautiful.
Wow.
How what did you think of True Beauty?
I absolutely adored it. It has all the makings of a show which I would enjoy watching.
100%.
It has all the experiences I can relate to, and probably, or I hope not, but probably you would relate to as well.
Absolutely.
I love the love triangle that's about to happen.
Yes.
I love the mystery that's about to happen, and I also sense a character development which is more internal and not external, and I think that would be the biggest and best takeaway for me when it comes to this show called True
Absolutely.
Beauty. What about you, Supriya?
I absolutely agree. Plus, makeovers are amazing
Yeah.
as always. Love this show so far.
Yes.
I'll definitely continue watching it on Amazon Prime Video. It's
Yes,
right there. You
of
can watch
course.
it. While doing your makeup, you can watch it. Why not? But we've come to the end of this episode. If there's one thing we've learned today, is that true beauty is beauty of the heart. In the next episode, we will be reacting to a brand new show. And Priyanka, what show is it?
Taxi driver.
That's right. So buckle up. It's going to be a great ride, and we'll see you then next time only on Sisters React. Until then, bye.